Hello guys. Mag-open ka taong order sa Temu survival kit. So duha pa akong na-receive. Ay, no. Tulo. 3 pieces. Akong bag wala pa. Wala pa akong tactical bag. Oh, first aid kit. Yay. Pwede na ako ni siya punan. Kaya naaman ko first aid kit sa balay sad. But it looks complete. Naa siya clipper. Naay clipper. Naay gunting, pero dili kay ko happy sa gunting kay kinagamayan. Nakoy gunting nga nindot. What else? Oh, na siya emergency blanket. Wow. So, naay gauze. Nakoy nakitaan sa sa Shein or sa Temu kanang na siya betadine. I'm planning to buy it. Plaster, bandage, band-aid. Oh, napaglain. Adhesive, nasad ko'y ngani. Pwede na siya punaan. O, maghimo kog another gauze sponges. O, maghimo kog another, instant ice pack. Diyan ho, matiwas sa istorya. Maghimo ko og, another na lang sa another bag. Nice. Kaso wala pa ako ang tactical nga bag. Bahala na lang. Basta na ako first aid kit. And then, actually, naanak ko kuan. Pero mas nindot ni. Mas baga, oh. Niya naanay nga ni kauban. Nakoy, how do you call it in English? Rope. Yan, naa siya nga ni. I don't know how to use. Ah, okay. Ura?
Okay.
Ja, genau. And then, this is, I am curious about. Is this part of the survival equipment? So, ano iyang birthday gift sa ako emergency or survival kit. SHTF kit. Do you know what's the meaning of SHTF? Shit hits the fan. Oh, what is this? What is this? What is this? It's properly packed. What is this? Oh. Thanks for choosing us. Wow. It looks like a small luggage. Okay. I'm curious what's inside. Oh, compass. There's pocket spiegel. Okay, magnifier. And again, emergency blanket. It's another compass. It's, I don't know. Rope. That's good. You said there's no tool. There is another knife. How to use it? Outdoor wild. I don't know how to use it. I'll have to ask my partner first. And spoon fork. Oh, I'll show you guys. It's a spoon and it's a fork. I think I want to have it like a daily use because European people, when they are cooking, when they are eating, they are, even with rice, they are using wow. How would I use this? It's a scissor, I think, and oh, God, you just have to do it and then get inside. No, it's not getting inside. I think I'm going to make it kaput. It's, I'm not sure. Whistle? I think it's for making fire together with this. Together with this? No. I think I'm wrong. I have to study first. So it's another one. Oh. What is this? Okay. Multi-purpose pocket, universal tool. So there are many things we can use it. It can be a ruler, a saw. It's also sharp here. It's nice. And I don't know what's the use of this. Oh, we have extra. Wow. So I will just buy what's missing here. I think the fire maker is not here. It's not available. But nice.